Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you start thread. So as we know, thread is where communities come together to discuss everything from the topics you care about today to what will be trending tomorrow. So whatever it is you're interested in, you can follow and connect directly with your favorite creators and others who love the same things, or build loyal followings of your own to share your ideas, opinion, and creativity with the world. So after you download it, you can open and you can log in with your Instagram account and appears the enterprise like this. So I think this like Twitter. So how you can start threads? Just click on the icon in the middle. So just share your ideas, opinions, or just creativity, um, or just say a good night, and you can click on attach to add image, or just click pause and you can share. Sorry, you can adjust for the replay. Anyone can replay, or just a profile you follow, or just mention it only. Just click pause. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.